Alright guys, if you have an Apple AirTag and now you want to remove the Apple AirTag from Apple ID, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The essence of this is maybe you want to connect your Apple AirTag to another device, or you just want to reset the Apple AirTag and then set it up again. I am going to walk you through the quickest approach you can use to remove Apple AirTag from Apple ID on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first thing is this: without removing the Apple AirTag battery, drop the AirTag, go ahead and grab your iPhone. So on your iPhone, swipe through the app menu and then open Find My. Now once you open Find My, you should have people, device, and then items. Now if you go to items, you should see your Apple AirTag here. Now to remove your Apple AirTag from your Apple ID or from your iPhone, all you need to do is click on the Apple AirTag name. Then once you click on it, swipe up, scroll down. Now locate and click on remove item. Once you click on remove item, you spot that says remove AirTag. So remove from Apple account. So if you go ahead and remove this AirTag from your iPhone, this is going to remove the AirTag from your Apple ID or your Apple account. This item is linked to your Apple account. Removing this item will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So to allow this Apple AirTag to be activated and be able to set it up with another Apple device, just go ahead and click on remove. The spot that says once the AirTag has been removed, it will need to be set up to use it once again. So go ahead and click on remove, and then you see your AirTag removing from your Apple ID. So this might take a couple of seconds, and once it's done, you should hear a chime, and then you're gonna see a new pop that says set up Apple AirTag to connect it to your iPhone. So that is basically how to remove Apple AirTag from Apple ID. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.